Hi everyone, my name is Mindy. Welcome to my channel. Today is my first video in 2022. My lucky bag just arrived at my door 5 minutes ago, so I'm gonna unbox with you. So the lucky bag is the Beautylish's yearly event that they have curated multiple items, and usually there's two kinds, or like more than two kinds actually. There's a Jeffrey box and there's a regular box, and I order X large box, which is their biggest tier, I think. So I'm gonna unbox with you guys what's inside and how much value. They always claim more than $300 worth products in here. I only paid $150 with shipping fee, which is $15. So the total is $165. So let's find out. So when you open the box, they always come in the special wrapping papers for like Japanese patterns, and the little card for the explaining about the lucky bags. So lucky bags are a Japanese New Year costume that inspired us to create our own. And the little explanation about the shisa, which is this the pattern like a
shisa on this year's lucky bag are known as guardians in Okinawa, Japan. They are said to ward off evil spirit while keeping good spirits in. So we hope the surprise insight invite you to leave the bad behind and take the good with you into 2022.
Okay, so let's get into it. Ooh, I already see some stuff in here. So this is the whole bag that I got, and let's find out what's inside. Okay, so all right, the first one is that's the unit brush set with the orange handle. I think unit brush is the creation of the Beautylish. I'm excited about that. I wanted to try a couple of I already own like a couple of eye brushes from Unit, but I never had a like face brush like this. So this is a Unit brush set. And Hindash's Hero Line eyeliner. I wanted to try this one as well. I'm excited about this. Let's see. Ooh, very sleek. So thin brush tip like this. And the next one is, okay, what is this? Smith & Colt nail polish, Forever Fades Fast. So this is beautiful pinkish shade. And I'm gonna take this one as well. This is a Charlotte Tilbury's Walk Up on Shame. I already own this one. Let's see. So I'm gonna show you eyeshadow from Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, this is very beautiful. Okay, and then this one is Wayne Goss's Imperial Topaz eyeshadow palette. I don't own this, but I love his eyeshadow palette. I own like 2-3 eyeshadow, but this one I don't have it, so which is exciting. Okay, so this is the Imperial Topaz. Is it? Okay, yeah, Imperial Topaz. And then, all right, and this is a Verb Ghost Oil. That's a hair oil that's smoothing Moringa blend weightless hair oil. So I never tried this brand and this ghost oil, but I definitely put into use. And this is a Holy Frog dewdrop, antioxidant dewdrop. So some skincare, some brushes. Okay, so I think this is a full size. So I never tried CoQ10 and a niacinamide in there. I'm excited to try. And what else? Okay, so this is a Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Essence. So this is one of their newest item. So I can't wait to try this one. I was actually planning to buy this one. Ooh, okay, that's a full size. Good Molecules has really like affordable, good line of the skincare brand, so I am very excited about this one. Okay, so far I am only one item is the one that I already own. Okay, so there's two lipsticks. One is Natasha. Oh no, this is not the lipstick. This is nice Natasha Denona Chromium. What shade is this? It's called Infra Nude. So that's very exciting. I never tried this one. Actually, I had her other like duochrome like eyeshadow, but it's so drying. I had to return in the past. And this is a Wayne Goss's lipstick. Okay, here's it. I don't own this shade, but I really like his. Oh, this is a lip gloss. Very beautiful shade. So lip gloss from Wayne Goss. And this is a Surratt blush. So artistic a liquid blush. I already have the shade is a classic. I already own all the shades. So let's see. So they're liquid blush. It's a sponge tip on the top, so you can just like dab it on the cheeks. This is very beautiful, like liquid blush that I recommend. I think that's it. Yeah. So I was kind of hoping that like if there's any like Natasha Denona Chrome, what is it? Trichrome palette, because that's the one that I was kind of hoping that I received, but actually two eyeshadow palettes, Charlotte Tilbury, Wayne Goss, two eyeshadow palettes, one liquid blush, one lipstick, one eyeliner from Hindash, and the brush set from Units, and two skincare item, Holy Frog and the Good Molecules, and one like duochrome eyeshadow, and one nail polish, and one hair oil. So that's about it. I'm gonna put up all the like details and then how much, you know, the value that I receive on the side of the screens. If you order like any extra large box this year, I'm a little disappointed on my box because I was expecting certain things that I saw from other people's box, but this is a pretty good value. Let me know if you order any lucky bag from the Beautylish this year and what you got most excited about. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.